People are dropping dead. What would I do if I were there? Take an egg and call on, if you are a woman and that's your brother, call on your umuopu to come through for you people. Call on your ndiche to come through for you people. If you have a second chance, right? Because some people drop and fall and stand again. And tell them not to allow shame come to you. That's it. That's the thing that you do. That's one easier way to tell them to come through. Take on that egg and remove whatever negative energy and throw that one away. The one you are doing, the first one that you are doing, calling on you, we are doing it with egg and oil and salt. Or if it's just an egg, just use an egg. One caveat: do this only if you know that you are clean. If you know that you are owing Ebualo and you are calling Umuopo that you don't know if it's one of them that you removed in an abortion, why are you calling people that you should be hiding from? If you know that you are owing Ebualo, probably don't call them because you probably fucked the whole thing up.